Hello, fourth graders. This is Mrs. Palermo. Today I'll be talking to you about Unit 1, Lesson 6, Making New Groups for Addition. In this lesson, you're going to be learning how to add using the new group above method and the new group below method. The first method that I will be talking to you about is called new group above method. This method you should be very familiar with. So here's my problem. 5,879 plus 6,754. So when I'm using the new group above method, the first step that I have to do is add the ones place. So right here, boys and girls, is my one place. So I'm going to be adding 9 plus 4. So 9 ones plus 4 ones equals 13. I made a new 10, so my 3 goes there and my new 10 goes above the tens place. The second step that I need to do is I need to add the tens. So I have 1 10 here, 7 tens, and 5 tens. So I'm first going to add the 7 plus 5, which equals 12. Then remember, boys and girls, I made that new 10 earlier, so I have to add that 1, which now makes it 13. So again, I'm going to put my 3 there, and I made a new 100, so my new 100 goes above the hundreds place. Step 3 is now adding the hundreds place. So remember, I have that my new 100 I made there, 8 and 7. I'm going to start with 8 plus 7, which equals 15. I'm going to add one more, which equals 16. I just made a new 1,000, so I'm going to carry my thousands to the thousands place. And now, for step number 4, is adding the thousands. So 5 plus 6 equals 11, which I made that new 1,000, which equals 12. So I'm going to be writing 12. So my answer is 12,633. Remember, boys and girls, when you're adding using the new group above method, you always start from right to left. And when you make either a new 10, hundreds, or 1,000, you need to put your new 10, 100, or 1,000 above the place value. The video is now going to pause, and you're going to be solving a problem using the new group above method. Now I'm going to show you another method called the new group below method. This is kind of similar to the new group above method, but this time when you're making your new tens or hundreds or thousands, you put it below. So let me show you how you use the new group below method. So for step number 1, again, you're going to start with adding the ones place value. So I have 4 ones and I have 8 ones. So 4 plus 8 equals 12. Again, boys and girls, I made a new 100 or a new 10. So I'm going to put my 2 right here, and my 1 is going to go below the tens place. Now for step 2, I have to add the tens place. So I have 6 tens, 4 tens, and then my new 10 that I just made from my ones. So 6 plus 4 equals 10, plus 1 more is 11. So I'm going to put my 1 here, and then my new 100 that I made, I'm going to put it below the hundreds place. For step 3 now, I add the hundreds place. So I have 7 hundreds, 6 hundreds, and then I may have that 100 I just made. 7 plus 6 is 13, plus that new one I just made equals 14. So I'm going to write my 4 here, and I just made a new 1,000, which I'm going to put below my thousands place. I'm now going to add 2,000 plus 6,000, which equals 8, and I'm going to add that new one I made, which equals 9. So my answer, when I added 2,764 plus 6,648 equals 9,412. So this method, boys and girls, is called the new group below method. The video is going to pause, and you're going to be answering a question using the new group below method. Now you have learned the new group above method and the new group below method. I hope these two methods were helpful for you, and we look forward to seeing you tomorrow in class. Hope you have a great night.